Good morning, guys. How are you doing today? As usual, walking my dog. It's breakfast time. Eggs, ham, rice, and orange juice. Hi guys! Today I'm feeding my children. No, I'm feeding my ducks and chickens here at the Platypus Park. Oh my, look at the fishes. See, these are the chickens here at the Platypus Park. So I'm feeding them with bread. Look, one is eating. Deep water, my friend, by Bruce Lee. Pearl milk tea. Yum. Doing my solar lights. Adding mix, bread, pegs, dishwashing liquid, conditioner, liquid hand soap, sard, stain remover, soap. Now this is chicken Kiev. Look. Fabric softener or fabric conditioner, baby oil, dog food, or else Coke, no sugar, another liquid soap, dishwashing soap, and sweet corn, $1 each. What else is here? And that's it for today. Yeah, upstairs is a bit noisy, so I'm just doing it here as my grocery shopping haul. This is just a top up. Okay, my dog's hungry. Do you wanna eat? Do you wanna eat dinner? Oh, come on, let's go. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.